Yay, that was beautiful. You did a super job of revving your dog up. I'm going to have to do it again.
What do you got, lady?
I love that.
It's nice to see a dog that's not, a lab that's not fat.
Oh man, what do I have? Ooh, this is good. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Look at that. Man. All right. Ooh, that looks good. Good job. Very nice. Good job. I didn't put good dog. That's all right. So,
Whoops, there must be more.
so we're going to limit this to 2. That was so good. Gives you